Hey there, YouTuber. Today we have some ribs. This is a pimento macaroni and cheese. And they say this is egg salad. Yes, I think the name of this place was supposed to be like Liberal Barbecue or something like that. I'm not sure. I just know I've seen the word liberal with it. But I know y'all hear the tapping noise. Sorry about that. My engine is not so good. I'm going to smell it because I got 3 different kinds of barbecue sauces here. I want to say this is the blackberry because I had blackberry. This one is chipotle. And I think this one is just basic barbecue sauce. Let me see. Yeah. Yes, people. So we're gonna get started. I think I'm gonna start off with trying your basic barbecue sauce because I'm gonna tell you now. Let me get this off me. I really don't like barbecue based. No, not barbecue based. Ow, that hurts. Anyway, I really don't like vinegar based barbecue sauce. So, nothing too vinegary. So, give me a piece of this and stick it onto that barbecue sauce. The barbecue sauce, the barbecue by itself tastes alright. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little dry. Here's the pimento macaroni and cheese. Wanna try that? You wanna try? This is alright. I think I was expecting a little bit more taste than that. Now, this is what I understand. She told me this was like an egg salad. But then when I looked up there, it said Dijon potato salad, so I don't know. She was like, I've never, oh yeah, this is definitely an egg salad. Definitely egg salads. Let's see. It had potatoes in it. It'd be bomb. But it's good. I think when I think of this egg salad, I'm like, ooh. Could spread it on some bread and have a sandwich. But I would want to be a little bit thicker for a sandwich. Anyway, let's get back to these ribs. I think I really want to try this blackberry barbecue sauce. Got me a bigger piece of meat this time. I was hoping that would help with the noise. But excuse me, because I have Diet Coke. Diet Dr. Pepper. Oh, yeah. Oh, yo. Oh, yo. Nice. Drop it up in there. I'm finna go taste chipotle. Don't worry. I like sweet barbecue sauce though. I already knew. The sauce was gonna be getting. I seen it say Blackberry. You okay back there, son? Really? Yeah. They take turns using the bathroom with me. Might be too much information, but they do. Okay, this is Chipotle. Let me dunk it some more because I don't think I'm getting a full taste of it. See, that's good too. Like, I wasn't expecting it to be good because right afterwards, you know, you start tasting the Chipotle and you get a little kick. They had some other barbecue sauces, like a South Carolina and something else, but I was like, no, I'm not doing that. I already got enough sauces as it is, and I don't even, I had to smell it to figure out which was which. And I wanted to be able to tell y'all which was which. Like, if I would have had a marker, I would have marked it. Maybe I should have got the baked beans instead of the egg salad. But I'm okay with it. But I'll tell you this much. They are falling off the bones. So that is good. I'm going to go back in with this one. You got it off the bone. Oh. Get some more. Y'all, it's so good. You know what I want? I want one of them moving tripods. The ones with the lights on it. For two reasons. I really want to do some other videos, but I need to follow me because I ain't got time to just keep on like repositioning the crap. Anyway, and I had like a little table tripod which broke, and I never went back and got another one. And I figure if I got one of those, that'd be good. Just like to have a little table tripod. I feel like burping again, y'all. It's just. I'm so sorry. Excuse me. Excuse me. Until you know. Oh crap. I got my phone. I'm finna go back in. But how's everybody been doing? How's things been going? I did a video this morning. I said I was gonna post it. When y'all eating this, so maybe I got a piece of barbecue fell in there. I should I'm gonna show y'all. Talk about what I talked about in that video. It was a dream I had. It's an old dream. I'm gonna say this right now. I'm not going to say that God gave me this dream. I'm just telling him this is a dream that I had, and this is the feeling I got of this dream when I had it a long time ago. Really, sir? That I had a long time ago. And I'm just gonna speak on my dream. That's all. With everything going on, why not? I think I had like 2 or 3 dreams. I don't know if they all align with each other or not, but whatever. I'm gonna try to explain it better than I explained it earlier. But I heard a dream that people were working. But when the people were working, they were living where they were working. Where they were working, you know how they got the girls' locker room and the boys' locker room? Well, it's kind of like that, except how would I put it? I'm gonna say it was like jail, but more freedom. And when I say jail, you know the difference between jail and prison. Jail, in a room, they got a whole bunch of bunk beds for, you know, for the amount of people that's in there. And that's what it was like. People had bunk beds, and then they had lockers, you know, for their clothes and stuff. They stayed here at the job throughout the week into the weekend, and I think on the weekend they were like free to go and do what they wanted to do. And I felt like they didn't have a choice but to do this, and I feel like that's the way it's gonna be. Maybe, I don't know, but that's what happened in the dream. And another part of another dream that I had, there's this big old round building that go around in the circles, and there was like thousands like apartments in this place, and at the bottom there was a grocery store and stuff, and pretty much it seems like that couldn't nobody leave the place. If you want to go to the movies, if you want to have fun, or anything you want to do, you had to do inside of this building. I'm not saying that that's going to happen, but I just thought it was weird. Those are the kind of dreams I've been having. I'd say these dreams about 5-6 years old. Yeah. There were some people that were still living in houses, but you didn't really see those people too much. And maybe it was people who already owned homes and things, but it seemed like that was the only way that they could live, was to actually live on a job, have room and board on the job, and then like the money that they got literally was to do other stuff. But I don't know, it was crazy. Well, everything that's going on with inflation and everything, who's to say that they just won't house us and make us work to earn our keep, and put the kids in the boarding like school too? What if they just confined all of us? Could you imagine? Maybe I watch too many of those zombie movies and stuff. I don't know. Anyway, for some reason, I feel like maybe one day life will literally be that way. Because if nobody can afford where to stay at, or afford to buy food, imagine how many people would be out on the street. How many people would die of starvation. I mean, let's be real. To even get on food stamps, they want you to work. And right at the cutoff of buying food, you could be a cent or two over, $1, $3, $5, and you won't get food stamps. And food is high. $100 going to spend it in the store. Absolutely nothing. Let me tell you. I think I had $100. I bought my child's yearbook. Went and bought some snacks. With Starbucks. This food right here. How much they got left? Yeah. I just wanted to put a video out there. I do. And I wanted to do a car video because I like sitting in the car. I can just put it on my tripod thing right here. Excuse me. And be charging my phone while I'm doing it. But yeah, there's so much going on. Guess I'm dropping food out my mouth, y'all. I feel like everybody should have a relationship with God. Jesus Christ, the Lord. Not God, be sure. Because it's all kinds of gods, but the one and only. Heaven above. Everybody get a relationship with him. And I'm not necessarily saying go get into a church. If you feel like that's what you need to go do, then do that. But literally have a one-on-one relationship. Talk to God. Build that connection with him. He will lead and he will guide you. He will keep you on the straight and narrow. Don't mean that everything's gonna be rainbows and butterflies right now. I'm telling you, I can say God's got me through a whole lot in my life. Because y'all, I don't know what I'm cooking for dinner tonight, but y'all, I have been pregnant, lost a baby at about 6 months of pregnancy. He got me through that. Wasn't easy. Sometimes it's still not. A divorce. That's a whole story right there. There were a couple of deaths because neither of my brothers are with me anymore. my cousin, who was like a niece to me because I was there when she was born. You know, I felt like I kind of helped raise her when she was little. She was my little tag along. She was like my very first, you know how you got that one kid that you feel like is your kid, but you just help take care of them. She was that for me. Uncles, aunts. You know, just a lot of people passing. And just getting through those things. Those things are not easy. And sometimes we go and seek comfort in things that we shouldn't seek comfort in when we're grieving. So you gotta be careful with that. What's wrong, baby? Oh, what's wrong, my dude? Yeah, baby. Anyway. But yeah. And sometimes, majority of the time, we go through these things so we could tell people what we've been through to help somebody else get through a difficult situation. You over there sucking his thumb, trying to get him a chip. Anyway, but yeah, your story can help somebody else. Really, really can. But it is definitely up to you whether you're going to ask God to heal you and help you get through those things, or you're going to dwell and sit in it and let it eat you up. It's okay to talk to a therapist. Talking to a therapist is eye-opening. Or being in tune with God and talking to a therapist is eye-opening, because when I had a therapist and I started talking to her, I was just at the beginning of my journey, which is a fight, y'all. It's an in and out thing, I'll tell you that much of me. Trying to keep doing and make sure you're doing, and I don't want to fall off. I want to know that I'm doing things the way I'm supposed to be doing in my walk. But anyway, I talked to a therapist, and she didn't even really say much, but some of the questions she asked me opened up my eyes to things that I have been ignoring. It made me realize some things. And some stuff I just wasn't ready for. I really wasn't. But I made time for a little while. I'm just a secret therapist. You want another chip, baby? Let me see if he wants another chip. Yeah, I'm finna hurry up. I'm finna finish the rest of this rib. It is so yummy. And I'm starting to get really full. I think I'm gonna dip a little bit back into this chipotle sauce. The spicy chimama sauce. But yeah. I did try to tell my story before about my divorce or whatever, and what that relationship was like. On my channel before, but I don't got very many followers, and people really just sometimes don't care about that. A lot of people come to this video just for the burping. Some people come just to see the food I'm eating. And some people actually come just to hear me talk. Either or way, I'm very appreciative of everybody who do come to my channel and support me. Thank you very much. But I figured as I grow, as my channel grow, that eventually, you know, somebody want to hear my story. Even have to tell it a couple of times. But I'm not going to tell the story unless anybody wants me to tell it. And I'm not going to be like Risa Tisa. I'm all over the place with everything. So, oh, excuse me. If you don't pay attention to the way I talk now, on these videos, I'm not being one subject to another subject to get back to the other subject, but yeah. What's wrong? That's how my mind works, though. I feel like if I don't get it out, then I'm not gonna remember. And I feel like in some sort of way, what I'm talking about is relevant to the story. And that's just how my mind processes everything. What did I do with them chips? But yeah. Y'all, I'm so full. But I ain't finna finish my last piece of rib. I'm finna finish my rib. I'm gonna finish my rib. But yeah. But like I said, get your relationship with God, heal yourself, get it together. Did I hit that thing? Yeah, I did. You got way more going for yourself than you think you do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Bye. Oh yeah, y'all like my red shirt.